Namaste everyone. I hope you're all staying in, staying safe with the family. As we all know summers are coming around, why not learn to make a classic mojito? So we'll start with taking a glass. We'll add some fresh cut lemon to it. With some fresh mint. Everyone knows how to make a mojito, but let's make it a little more exciting by adding some watermelon to it. Let's make it a watermelon mojito, which is good for summers as well. Now we need to add a little bit of brown sugar, and need to muddle everything together. Let's add some ice to it. If it's crushed ice, it's better. Now, if you want it sweet, if you like it sweet, add Sprite or 7-Up. But if you want it a little lighter, try it with soda. The bubbles coming out, the flavors coming out. Let's give it a little mix. This is watermelon mojito, good for summers. Enjoy with the family, staying in the house. Take care.